Many people fear the pain associated with laser hair removal procedures, but are comforted by the permanence of it. Here to debunk the myths of laser hair removal is Dr. Philip Kritzinger from York Vein and Laser Clinic. You're watching Daily Web TV. Anyone who's had laser hair removal knows it can be uncomfortable, but Dr. Kritzinger is here to explain not all lasers are equal. Dr. Kritzinger, how are you making painless hair removal happen here at your clinic?
Well, the lasers until now have all used the same technique. They basically just give an intense blast of light multiple times. You just move it along the skin and just bang, 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 bang. Each of those shots hurts. And if you're doing 2,000 of them to do a leg, it just gets pretty tiresome after a while.
Imagine.
The soprano laser is it's been on the market for about 3 years, works quite differently. This does multiple low-intensity pulses per second. So each of those pulses you can't feel, and if you wave them back and forth over an area about this large, the energy is distributed and you basically don't feel it. Go back and forth 6 or 8 times, the whole area heats up, the hair heats up, and get hair removal.
Great. And is this hair removal quick when you do it with the soprano? Like how many treatments do you need?
This machine is it's putting out about twice as much energy as the old standard hair removal devices, so we can cover an area very, very quickly. That takes about 20 to 30 seconds to do. 20, 30 seconds, 20, 30 seconds, very quick. We can do a man's back in about half the time. Number of treatments depends on 2 factors, the coarseness of the hair and the color of the hair. The darker the hair, the better. Coarser the hair, the better. So if you have, say, dark upper lip hair, we can get that, but it's usually very, very fine. It could take us 20 sessions to do upper lip hair. And that's true for any kind of laser, new or old.
Really?
They do a man's chest, say it's black hair in a man's chest, they could be very happy after 3 or 4 treatments.
How does hair color and skin color affect the outcome?
Yeah. Hair color, the darker the better. Skin color, the lighter the better. We don't want the skin absorbing the energy from the laser. If you've got dark skin, that's melanin, and that is absorbing energy from the laser. There's a risk for burns to the skin, and there's a risk for changing that pigmentation. We can actually bleach it out.
So dark skin people should really avoid it?
Dark skin people don't have to avoid it. There are lasers out there that will treat dark skin people, and we have one. This is not one. Okay. This one treats up to sort of medium colored skin. Darker colored skin like black. We do have a laser that'll do that very, very safely, but it's not the painless one.
What is the downtime with laser treatment, hair removal laser treatment?
There's no downtime.
So you're not going to see any discoloration or redness or
you're red
bumps?
Red for maybe an hour. Imagine your cheeks being red from being out in the winter, and you come in and the cheeks just go back to normal again in half an hour, same sort of thing. Fantastic.
So it sounds like you have several different lasers here to cover basically
anybody. We actually
anybody.
have, there are 4 lasers in our clinic that can treat hair.
Now, if somebody would like more information about laser hair removal, how can they get in touch with you?
Best place is the website. Lots of useful information there. It's yorkvein.com.
Thanks so much. Laser hair removal, painless and a solution for everyone. Keeping you informed, I'm Sheila Clark, and you've been watching Daily Web TV.